All that in the universe is made out of energy. Have you ever considered the possibility that you are also a form of energy? You are constantly immersed in and connected to energy, which is easy to overlook. Even as you watch this video, you are actually experiencing this connection. Each move you make, whether it is strolling down the road or taking a full breath, requires energy. Indeed, even your feelings and contemplations, going from happiness to disarray, are types of energy that can impact your encounters and influence your general surroundings. Pausing for a minute to really comprehend that everything is energy can give new experiences about yourself and the universe. You are not discrete from this energy. As a matter of fact, you are made out of it. All aspects of your actual body, including your development from youth, the food you eat, and, surprisingly, your hair and nails, is comprised of energy. From your blood, which moves through your body, to the feelings and thoughts that make up who you are, energy flows through you. With each breath, you inhale and exhale energy that surrounds us and never stops moving. However, energy extends beyond the physical world to include your thoughts and feelings, which can have an impact on your life. Likewise, those of others, what you see, what you reflect, and what you focus on, is every one of a lot of energy. Energy is present in every word you speak. You put your energy into what you watch on TV or the internet. Be aware of what you focus intently on, in light of the fact that it streams where your consideration goes. Where you direct your energy is always entirely up to you. Even though making that choice requires energy, you have the option to exercise your free will. You are in charge of directing this energy and deciding where to focus it and how to use it. You will be able to better manage and direct it toward your goals and ambitions if you do this. Your energy moves this way and that regardless of whether you want it, and your considerations and feelings have the ability to guide it. You are releasing high-frequency energy when you feel joy, positivity, or motivation. That brings you more of the same. On the other hand, negative emotions like anger, unease, or sadness draw lower currents energy that can drag you down. Realizing that you have the ability to control your energy is essential. You can focus on something that makes you feel better when you're down. You can likewise change your energy by investing time with individuals who elevate you. Chasing after exercises that you appreciate and encircling yourself with useful messages. You can likewise go to lengths to save your energy by defining limits, staying away from destructive conditions and connections, and taking part in taking care of oneself practices. Have you ever considered the effect that placing faith in something has on your energy? Everything is brought to you by the universe working in your favor. Your energy draws, and trusting and having confidence in the force of energy can change your life in astonishing ways. You recognize your worthiness to receive and your generosity to give to others by placing your trust in energy. Start to realize that there is a greater force at work, and that there is more to life than meets the eye. Turn into a piece of something a lot bigger, something that knows it all and figures out everything. It is a limitless wellspring of adoration when you trust your energy adjusts, your phones recover, and your well-being moves along. Your energy flows like a mountain stream and becomes crystal clear and pure. Joy fills your life, and you feel worthy and valuable. You gain shrewdness and internal harmony, and clearness fills your being. This is the force of energy, and when you confide in it, everything is sorted out. When you confide in the universe and have confidence in your own true capacity. While your energy becomes more potent, you also become more peaceful and wise. Your contemplations become convictions, your yearnings manifest in your life by having confidence in your fantasies and making a move towards them. You can change your life and accomplish all that you want. You will discover your true purpose in this world if you put your faith in both yourself and the universe, which will lead you to it. You will realize that you have all the tools necessary to succeed, and that you are capable of achieving your objectives once you comprehend and embrace your purpose. You can let go of all the resistance and obstacles in your way by having faith in yourself. You open your heart to the wonders that the universe has in store for you, and accept the present moment as it is. You can see it with complete clarity. You give yourself permission to let go of things that do not serve you and make room for new opportunities by trusting in yourself. You have faith in the divine force that directs you when you trust, and you are never alone. You know that you are a crucial part of something bigger than you are and have a role to play. You think that everything that happens to you in life is for your betterment, growth, and development. Close your eyes, connect with your inner self, and feel the energy coursing through you. If you can trust your energy, the universe, and yourself. Feel the affection, the power, the light. Your energy, and you have the ability to make your world and manifest your fantasies. Trust in yourself and the universe, and watch the magic happen in your life. You are capable, deserving, and loved. The force of trust and faith in the universe can extraordinarily affect your being, changing your energy. Your convictions, contemplations, feelings, and words can appear in your current circumstance, and could actually assist with recuperating your body. To transform your considerations into convictions, it is crucial for training the demonstration of accepting by having confidence in the universe's capacity to give all that you want. You can have a profound sense of peace and joy if you are aware of your potential desires and dreams, and believe in your worthiness for love and happiness. It can help you realize and fulfill your purpose if you believe you have one. You have the ability to make the existence you want and shape your world. Be that as it may, this requires aim, mindfulness, and practice. Recognizing that you are energy and that it surrounds you at all times is the first step on the journey. Your energy, which is connected to the infinite intelligence of the universe, is expressed in every breath, thought, and movement. At the point when you understand this association, you comprehend that you are important for something a lot more prominent than you are. You fathom that there is a reason for your reality, and that you have the ability to satisfy it. You value the valuable endowment of your energy, and endeavor to shrewdly utilize it. You can develop a mindset of faith, trust, and belief, and put it into practice on a daily basis. You are opening up to the limitless conceivable outcomes of the universe. You let the energy flow through you and follow it. Putting your faith in the fact that, despite the fact that you are unable to see it yet, everything is developing for your highest good. You have steady confidence in the universe's capacity to give what you want and in your own capacity to draw in it into your life. Every challenge is an opportunity to become stronger and wiser, every setback is a lesson, and every obstacle is an opportunity to grow. Miracles can happen in your life when you believe that you can use your energy's power. With conviction, you speak your truth, visualize your dreams with clarity, and bravely act on your intuition. Your heart drives the way and you confide in the excursion ahead. You are aware that your energy is like a magnetic field, attracting people, opportunities, and experiences that are compatible with your goals. You are appreciative for every second, every individual, and every example that comes your direction. Perceiving that they all assume an essential part in your excursion as you develop the expertise of working with energy, you become the expert of your predetermination. You radiate happiness, serenity, and positivity. Additionally, you inspire others to follow suit. You effortlessly realize your goals, and you give generously to others. Together with others and yourself, you live in harmony with the natural world. You treasure the quality of every moment and you regard the insight in each snack. You express your appreciation for the universe and your privilege to exist. With practice, believing in oneself becomes second nature, and this ability can be developed. You can feel their truth by reciting positive affirmations and feeling it. You can find your life's purpose and lead a fulfilling and joyful existence by placing your faith in your imagination, creative abilities, and inner voice. By setting your confidence in yourself and your association with the universe, you can radiate quietness and love, and have a beneficial outcome on your general surroundings. Trust in yourself and approach challenges with calmness and concentration. You are aware that you are capable of handling anything with grace and ease. While you have confidence during the time spent life in its turns, ups, downs, and startling astonishments. You know that everything happens for a reason, and that every experience, good or bad, is a chance to grow and learn. You have faith that the universe is in your favor, and that everything will work out for your best interests. You likewise believe that the people in your day-to-day existence are there to help you, and that you are in good company on your excursion. As you foster your trust, you will acquire a more profound consciousness of the energy that encompasses you. You will be able to feel the vibrations of the people and things around you, and will select the energy that is best for you. You will safeguard your energy and establish healthy boundaries with those whose positive vibrations do not match yours. Trusting additionally implies embracing grace for you and others. You can free yourself from the past and release negative energy with the powerful tool of forgiveness. You will open your heart to new possibilities and let go of resentments and grudges. Keep in mind that you are energy and that you can control how your reality looks.